Once again, welcome back to chemistry class. Today we are going to learn the new chapter, that is materials, metals and non-metals, the second chapter of chemistry. Okay, before we are going to learn the metals and non-metals in detail, let me ask you a doubt. So what is a matter? So matter is defined as anything that can have a space to occupy and there is a correct mass. That kind of substances are known as matter. So how we will define matter? So matter means anything that can occupy space and have a definite mass is known as matter. Okay, this is the exact definition of a matter. This chalk piece is a matter because this chalk piece need a space to occupy, as well as this chalk piece have a definite mass. Okay, that is why it is known as a matter. So whatever substances, the duster, the blackboard, okay, whatever items which is there to occupy a space and have mass, which is known as matter. Okay, children, how to classify this matter? In which type? Mainly in which state it occurs. Okay, so a matter can be either in the form of elements or in the form of compounds or in the form of mixture. Okay, look at here children. Here you can see the matter can be present either in the form of elements or in the form of compounds or in the form of mixture. Okay, so out of this, the element is the purest form of substance. Purest form of a substance. How it become a purest form? Let me show you a simple example. Suppose if this is an element, the element having the same type of atoms. Okay, if you take an element, it is a pure form. It consists of the same number of atoms. No other mixtures, no other components is there. Just only the same kind of atoms are present. If I try to break this compound, try to break this element, what you can observe? If you make it into a 2 piece or if you take a 1 piece, what you can observe? The same number of atoms. There is no other impurities. Okay, the atoms are same. So such kind of elements are one of the part of a matter. Okay, so you know children, who is the father of chemistry? The father of chemistry is known as Antoine Lavoisier. Antoine Lavoisier is the father of chemistry. He has again classified the elements into 3. What are they? Antoine Lavoisier classified the elements into 3. The first classification is the metals. And the second classification, it is non-metals. And the third classification, it is metalloids. Okay, so out of this, we are going to learn about metals and non-metals. We are going to have a detailed study of metals and non-metals. Children, you know how many elements are present in our world at present? You will be surprisingly know that 118 elements are present nowadays. Out of this 118 elements, you know, one more surprising thing, that 92 elements are naturally occurring elements. 92 elements are naturally occurring elements. And the rest 20 elements, they are, sorry, out of 92 are natural elements. Out of 92, the 70 elements are metals, and nearly 22 elements are non-metals. Non-metals. Look at here, children. Total 118 elements. Out of 118 elements, 92 elements are naturally occurring elements. Rest of the elements are artificial elements. So out of 92 naturally occurring elements, you can see that 70 are the metals and the rest 22 are the non-metals. Okay, we are going to study about the metals and non-metals detail. Okay, so before we are going to learn in detail, first we are going to discuss the properties of metals and non-metals separately. Metals and non-metals separately. Okay, we are going to differentiate the metals and non-metals. Okay, first of all, we are going to discuss the physical state, how it looks like, how a metal looks like, and how a non-metal looks like, and what kind of state it exhibits. Okay, this we are going to discuss. And after physical state, we are going to discuss the properties like ductility, malleability, sonority, hardness, and tensile strength. And the last factor, it is melting and boiling point. Melting and boiling point. Okay, this many properties we are going to discuss in the case of metals and non-metals. Let us discuss in detail in the next class. Okay, today we are going to find out. Thank you and see you in the next class.